Why CuSO4.5H2 is blue in color while CuSO4 is colorless? The blue color is only possible because the water ligands are present. They create the crystal field necessary the d orbital to split, which in turn enables the d-d transition. But CuSO4 is colorless. When H2O molecules are driven out by heating, the d orbital splitting no longer occurs. With no ligands present, no d-d transition are possible. The colorless anhydrous CuSO4 powder remains, so CuSO4 is colorless. Thank you for watching.